Okay, we have gone through our basic controls, and now it's time for tonal curve. If you've got experience in Photoshop or another graphics editing program, this is similar to your curves tool. It has a slightly different name. Basically though, it is an additional way to adjust your lighting and contrast within the image. This top part, this top right corner, represents your absolute whitest part of the image. It's 100%. This is 0%, so 100% black or 0% light. Everything else in between is right in the middle. So you can use it, you can click and drag this upper part. You can see it will start increasing the brightness of your lights. And this will start decreasing if you drop it, darkness of your blacks. This little toggle lets you turn it on and off so you can see before and after. Now if you don't like it and you don't want to have to try and figure it out again, you can right click and reset all. It's very useful. Let's say you want to push more light into your shadows. You can grab this shadow area and push it up. Grab this highlight area and bring it down. It essentially does the same kind of thing that your highlights and shadows tools did up here in the basic controls. Thing about the tonal curve is everything is on a nice smooth line, so no harsh differences between the highlights and the shadows. It's a very calm way of adjusting your contrast. It's great. Your controls have different options. This is your mid-tone slider, and you can say, actually, instead of making my 50% gray smack in the middle, bring it closer to the darks. So it understands that your middle ground is now darker. Same way you can bring it up. Your midpoint is going to be brighter. You can also adjust your highlights and your shadows in the same fashion. All of these controls that we're modifying here, if you watch, these numbers will get changed as we drag the tonal curve up. You can adjust your image with exactness by adjusting these numbers instead of dragging the tonal curve line. That's basically it. The other tool that's available to us, you can click on this right here, and it lets you click and drag on the image for that specific area. Like right now we're dragging the dark slider. You can see that moving up and down, and you can adjust in real time on the image how much it's being affected by the tool. Okay, that's it. Done with tonal curve. Stay tuned for the next video for our color controls.